Hello, Markiplier. I come to you in your desperate time of need. I have seen recently that you have been looking for an editor. Desperately looking for an editor, apparently. And I am here to answer that call. I am but a humble Windows Movie Maker user. And I have recorded and edited a multitude of different products. I will now showcase some of my greatest works.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
دق سلف الجيب يا من السلامة دق سلف الجيب والطرقة طويلة.
On which we used to rely. Lucky is a family guy.
He lets me on his team this year. I haven't been part of a team since I was with the Four Peters.
One thing, I'm not a big fan of the government. I'm not a big fan of the government.
Robert Loja. Hey Peter, just thought I'd check on you. Oh my god! So yes, that is what I have to offer, Markiplier. Please respond.